Imagine this! The moon suddenly turns into a black hole. Sounds scary, right? But actually, it's not as catastrophic as it sounds. Or is it? Let's find out. So, a black hole with the mass of the moon would have an event horizon about the size of a grain of sand. It's just as massive, but much smaller in size than you might think. Here's the twist. Since the moon's mass and position haven't changed, its gravitational effect on Earth would stay the same. So Earth's orbit and tides wouldn't change. Without the moon, there's no moonlight. This would affect nocturnal animals that rely on the light for hunting and migration. Imagine them getting lost in complete darkness. Earth would cool down a tiny bit without moonlight. Of course, it's not going to be a dramatic cooling, just a fraction of a degree. So no need to panic. Our black hole moon wouldn't glow brightly. In fact, it would mostly be absorbing energy and not doing anything spectacular. Just hanging there, altering the orbits of tiny dust particles nearby. So, while a black hole replacing the moon wouldn't cause a global catastrophe for Earth, life would be a bit different. No more romantic moonlit nights, no more tides, but the planet would keep spinning. And maybe that's all that matters. But what if the black hole was much bigger? What if its size increased several times over? In that case, the consequences for Earth would be far more serious. As the black hole's size increases, its gravitational influence on Earth becomes much stronger. This could alter Earth's orbit, changing climate and weather patterns. The pull would be stronger, leading to more extreme tides and waves. With such powerful gravity, Earth would start to experience major changes in ecosystems. Animals, plants, and even oceans would have to adapt to the new conditions. It probably wouldn't be fun if your beach suddenly got flooded by massive tidal waves. Warning: if the black hole begins to absorb more matter, it will emit intense bursts of radiation. The accretion disk around the black hole is one of the most efficient ways to convert mass into energy. These radiation bursts could have a destructive impact on our atmosphere and life on Earth. If the black hole keeps absorbing more matter, it will release dangerous amounts of X-ray radiation, which could seriously affect life on Earth. This could raise temperatures and even damage our atmosphere. So, if the moon turned into a much larger black hole, the consequences for Earth would be much more dramatic. But life would probably go on, just in a more extreme climate. Don't worry though, it's unlikely to happen anytime soon.